So I will going to tell you today how to start the Anaconda. So Jupyter Anaconda is one software that you already aware that we have done Python programming in the Colab. Okay. So once you install Jupyter Notebook in your system, you just have to search for Jupyter. So it will going to suggest you these are the options, right? Then you have to just click on this Anaconda Navigator, Jupyter Anaconda. Click on this, double click on this, and wait for some time as this application is occupy huge size, so it will going to take some time. So wait for some time. It will going to create some command prompt screen here. If it not come, then you can, yeah, now you can see it's coming here, right? So you can see another screen coming, and wait for some time. It will going to open in a by default browser. You can see at the background some kind of screen is opening and closing, right? So it's trying to open this Anaconda prompt. If it not open within a second, you just rerun it because sometime it occupies it. Now you can see a green symbol you can see on my screen, right? Because this software is occupy huge space. So that's why it take time. Now it's run successfully and you will going to get this screen. Now in this screen, if you see here, where which option you have to select, this one, Jupyter Notebook, okay? Web-based interactive tool. Always remember this one you have to open. Jupyter Notebook, click on the launch. As you click on the launch, by default browser, the default that is a by default on setting on your system, it will open the web-based platform on that particular browser. If it is Mozilla, then it will open on Mozilla. If it is Microsoft, then it will be Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. In my system, Google Chrome is my by default browser, so it is opening in this. Okay, once you are done with this, click on the new and click on this Python 3. I repeat again, click on the new and this Python 3. Once you click on this Python 3, wait for some time, a new platform will open. So here we're going to run every program. You can see here lot of data analysis, Python program I've written here. So you also have to do it. I will going to show you multiple project on this. You just have to be a focus on that. Now you can see this is a browser based platform. Okay, the software is running here, but as you click on the launch, it will open the browser based interactive platform on this default browser. You can see here localhost 88 notebook, right? And you can type any command here. You can run the whole machine learning code here. And you can check as well. Now the difference between the Colab and this one, you can see, you in order to run, you just have to run it. So it is similar to the Colab, Google Colab that I've explained, but the difference is that for running this Jupyter Notebook, you do not need internet service. But Google Colab is something like a Gmail. You're supposed to have a internet and data, but here in the Jupyter Notebook, you don't need that. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. So yes, I was saying about that you can rename as well. I can rename the file. Okay, and you can just click on the rename. So it will going to be rename here. And this cell by cell, you can run the whole program. So in the, if you remember the algorithm that I've explained you all the algorithm we will going to run here, and I will going to show you. Let me explain you. Like one of the linear algebra using NumPy. Okay, this is the one program. Let me click it here. So you can see here all this code I've written here, and this is the complete coding here. You can see. Did you able to understand? Did you able to understand?
Yes, Amit.
Yes.
So the code might be you are not getting it because you have not run this, but the platform you might be aware, because how this NumPy, Matplotlib, Python data structure I've explained you, right? And I've explained you how to run here as well. So whenever you run anything, you will see the output in this white portion, and in this particular cell you will going to run the code, just like the linear algebra algorithm we have run it here. Similarly, I will going to explain you. I was planning on Saturday to explain that, but we'll see. Based on the availability, we're going to explain the project. So like this, you can run it in your system. So today you just install this Jupyter notebook, or if anyone, they can share a screen. So I can tell right now how to install. Now you search here, type Google first. This is a Yahoo. By default, Yahoo is coming. So type Google first here, google.com.
Can I do here?
Google.com. Yes, second option, select it.
Sorry.
No, no, google.com. You type it there, google.com.
And then the third one, a second one, right? Web
Third one,
browser.
third one, you
Third.
said, third one.
Okay.
Click on the third one. Yeah, now you click on the Google. Click on the Google, it will come. Yeah, maximize this. Now you search it, Jupyter Anaconda download. Type Jupyter Anaconda notebook download. Jupyter PY Jupyter PY JUPY. Yes, click on the first one. Yeah, click on the Jupyter notebook.
The first one,
Yes,
top one.
yes. Click on the install. Scroll down.
That's all the way down.
Okay. Just go back once. Search for a Jupyter notebook install. Go back once. Click on the back button. In the
Yeah.
top, back arrow. Back arrow, do you see in the top? Yeah. Now just scroll down here. Scroll this.
Mm,
No, scroll up. Search for a Jupyter notebook download. Yeah.
Another browser.
No. Just search it here on the search bar. Here, Jupyter notebook
Right
where
here.
you have written. Yeah. Jupyter notebook window.
Windows, second one, right?
Yes.
And then
Then you click on this Jupyter notebook. Mhm. Now
under
click
this.
on about. Click on about us. Scroll down. Here in the down you will get it. Come to the down at the end.
All the way down. Okay.
Yes, all the way down.
Like support project Jupyter all the way down.
Okay. Wait. Click on documentation. Click on documentation. Click on the documentation. Yes. Now Jupyter notebook. Do you see this option? Jupyter lab, Jupyter
Yeah,
notebook.
the user interfaces one.
Yes. Jupyter notebook. Second, you click that. Jupyter notebook.
Okay.
Mhm. Now click on the installation.
In the right here, right?
Yes, first option, installation, first option.
User document, a notebook, installation.
The Jupyter Notebook installation. Do you see the first option? Do you see
Oh,
the,
right here. Oh,
yes,
yes. Here, this one.
yes, click on that. Yeah, now you scroll down. Okay, console, kernel. Can you just scroll up?
Jupyter Hub, Jupyter Lab.
Okay, yes, wait, here only, installing classic Jupyter Node. Yeah, click on this, Jupyter Notebook interface, installing the classic Jupyter Notebook interface.
Click here. It's not clicking. Right here, this one.
Yes, yeah, third option in this, blue one. With blue, do you see installing the classic
Oh,
Jupyter?
okay.
Installing the classic, yeah, click on that. Now you scroll down. Yes, wait. Yeah, click on download, download Anaconda. Do you see blue color download first option?
Oh,
There are
okay.
3 points are there. Click on download Anaconda.
Okay.
Yeah, now it will come. Now you click on this download option.
Right here. This in the window bar, this one, right?
Yes. Wait. Now other those who are looking into this, yeah, it started. Other those who are looking this, you don't have to follow this long link. You directly type this www.anaconda.com product individual. Once you type this www.anaconda.com, you can see the URL. Just note down this URL. When you are going to try in your system, just you have to type this URL, directly this page will open. So there you click on this download and you can open it. Click on accept
So I have to
and
do.
yeah,
I'm not.
scroll up, skip this, scroll up.
It doesn't. I need to verify, I think.
Okay.
So
Uh,
the image.
motorcycle, you do that. This one as well.
Right.
Mm,
Yeah.
verify. Yes, now mm, you click outside of this browser, it will go disappear. Click outside of this, thank you for downloading. Click outside on this, it will disappear.
It doesn't go up.
Okay, let it be.
My email address, something. It asks me email address,
Yeah,
passport. I don't have.
no need to enter this. This link, everyone, please copy this link or note down www.anaconda.com individual product individual. Can you Gita please share is on the chat to everyone so they can save it. So just copy this on the chat and send it to everyone. Or let me send. I'm sending. Wait.
So this does not work in Mac?
This is for window. For Mac
Yeah.
as well, the same step.
Yeah, I did for Mac like 2
Mhm.
days ago. It didn't work in my Mac.
Yeah, so you might be downloading exe file, window file. That's why it is not working. You have to download the Mac file. Macs, you have to download for
I
Mac.
did for Mac file. I did for my Mac file.
Then in the
It
Mac, in the Mac,
downloaded, but when I am trying to open it, it is not open.
for Mac, you have to run the command to install.
I went through all the steps that you provide.
O-
You did
o-
in the link.
Okay, I will explain. Double click
It,
on this. Double click on this Gita setup.
Set up.
This file, double click the download software that you have downloaded. Double click
Okay.
on this file. Double click on this file that you have downloaded. Do you see this at the bottom? Do you see
Oh,
at the bottom? Yeah, this one.
Cannot access the specified device path of filing and have appropriate permission. I don't know.
Yeah, you go to the download.
Right here on the top.
Download folder.
Thank you for downloading. It's not.
So always remember, run as a administrator. Whenever you get any error, click on yes. See, now it started installing, right? Click on the next. Whenever you get any permission error, right click the setup and run as administrator. Agree. Next. Next. Install. It will going to take some time. So just wait, okay? It won't take much time in your system. I think it's having a good processing speed, so it will be done quickly. I will help you, Urmila. Just wait. Let's this install in the Gita system, then we'll going to see in your as well.
No, Amit, it's okay. I bought a window just for this class, and I have to download Python and everything. I'll do it myself.
But operating system is never be a constraint. You can install in any one. In the Mac as well, we can install it.
Okay.
Leknath said he will be join soon, right? I see the
Yes.
message. Okay.
Yes. Click on the next,
And-
finish. So your installation is done now. Now it will get open. Now you search here Jupyter Anaconda in the start menu.
Right, right here.
No, not there. You are searching the website. You are installing in your local system and searching in the website. How you will get it there? You have to search on the start menu, the software that you install. Start menu. Where is the start menu of your system?
Right here.
Notebooks
Yeah.
are there.
Yes. Search there Jupyter
Mhm.
Anaconda.
I already got there.
Jupyter Anaconda notebook. So with green color, you will get that. Now
It's
wait.
Anaconda 3.
Yeah, the latest setup. Yeah, wait for some second because you're starting first time, so it will going to take some time. You search it here again, Anaconda notebook, not Jupyter notebook. Search for Anaconda. Type Anaconda there.
Is that
Not animation, Anaconda. Type completely. Na why you wait for the come Anaconda you type completely.
ANOCONDA, right?
Anaconda. ANACO. Anaconda Jupiter.
Yes.
Anaconda. ANA. Yeah, this Anaconda Navigator. Click on this.
This one,
Anaconda. Yeah, green one.
the top one,
No, no, not top one. Anaconda Navigator.
this
Yeah,
one.
click. Yes, click on that. And you can do one thing. You can pin to this taskbar as well. So you don't have to wait every time. You don't have to search every time. You can directly click on that. Again, you just go there.
Start button.
Yeah, type Anaconda Navigator. Yeah, yes. Now click on this pin to taskbar.
Where is the pin to taskbar?
Do you see on this side, open, run as administrator on your right side? Yeah, right side.
Yeah, option already, sir.
Yeah, you can see these options. Open, run
Oh,
as
okay.
administrator.
This one.
Yeah, pin to taskbar. Pin
To start run
Tola,
administrator.
tola.
yeah, pin to
There.
yeah, and pin to start as well. You do it, so you will get every time the option in the start. Do
Okay.
click on this. Click on the pin to taskbar. Click on that. Have
Yeah,
you
I am
clicked? Huh.
yeah,
Now you click on this pin to start as well.
yeah, I click over here too.
Yes. Okay. Pin to taskbar only you do it, not start. You will, yes. 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 Wait. Now you click outside. See, this is already open, I think. See this Anaconda Navigator is open. Now you scroll down. Wait.
It's running.
Yeah, it's running. Wait. Now you scroll down this scroll option. Do you see? Yeah, scroll down.
It's like a launch.
Yes. Scroll down. Yeah, you click on this Jupiter. No. Scroll down. Scroll
More.
up. Scroll up. See, scroll up. Okay, you scroll down completely. Scroll up. Slowly you move. Move up. Yeah, this Jupyter notebook. Do you see
Yes.
this? Yeah, launch. And you see this green kind of circle symbol. Now it's coming on your bottom bar, on your taskbar. Do you see this? Beside one is open. Yeah, now you click on this new. Click on the new button on your right side. New, new,
Mm,
new. Yeah, click on new. Python 3.
okay.
Yes, now you can run every setup here. Sorry, every code or Python code that whatever we run or whatever we learn, you can run it here.
Okay.
How to print anything on the screen? Which command we write it? Write down.
Print like
Print. Write print.
we need to like and whatever code we're gonna do like import numpy something like that. Like it's like a Google collab, right?
Yeah, it's Google Colab. So in a parenthesis, in a double quote, you have to pass.
Okay.
You have to practice, right? You haven't practiced on how to print. Right. If you want to print
Bracket
your
खोलेर
name,
double.
Oh yeah.
yes. In a parenthesis, write down the name. Write down the print. No. First you have to print. No. Print you write down. Then in circular bracket, you add your name. But name is of what type? String type. So where you are going to write?
Oh,
In a double quote or in a, yeah. Now you write down. Now you
then
how,
run.
yes.
Oh, okay.
So see the output is coming, right? These are the thing now I am telling you. But in interview, you won't get time. If you not be able to run this, they will say, okay, next guy come. So you have to
Right. Right.
practice this, right? Everything I have covered, Python and all, go through all those videos, practice this, and do this get a command over this first. Then we can move learning new thing. At least get a command what we have covered till now. Then we can move to the next topic.
Okay.
So this Anaconda we have installed. You all know, right? Python org, Pandas org, NumPy org, Matplotlib org, right? All those link I've shared. Open those link, try to see the command or code from there and run it in this platform. Okay, you just open Python org. In the tutorial, you will get everything. Copy from there, run it here and see what output you are getting and practice this. So tomorrow I will going to explain the algorithm and then we're going to start data visualization. But before that, get a command over this.
So everything gonna run on this, right?
Yes, you can run everything. We're going to do project on this. This is only we're going to do project on this, and the company as well. When you start working in a company, you are going to use this application only. Either you are going to use this application or you are going to use Jupyter, that Google Colab. But Google Colab is, as I said, you need internet for that.
Internet may be slow.
Yeah, so it will going to take more time. But here you can run it without internet as well, so it is more easier. So get a command on this, run every instruction, Python code that I explained in the class on this, and be prepared so that tomorrow when I start algorithm, you will be prepared for the test. Now today is 23, only 1 week is left. Go through all those video. Now we have a weekend as well. Go through it and do let me know if anything is not clear.